this is Taylor from Myfirstwig, and I am super excited to be here today to introduce to you our brand new product, the Wig Knots Healer. So one of the most important things that we often worry about with our wigs is how can I make this look natural? What is the best way to make sure that this wig looks like my very own hair? And so one of the methods a lot of people like to do is bleach their knots. But we should all know that bleaching the knots is not exactly the proper thing to do. Why? Bleach is a very strong chemical, and if you bleach your knots, you run the risk of ruining the product that you've invested so much time and money into. Bleaching knots can cause shedding and damage to the lace. So instead, we have developed a product that should make it way easier for you to make your wig look very natural without the use of bleach. So let's talk a little bit more about the Wig Knots Healer. This product is specifically designed for you to be able to use on your lace closures and your lace front wigs. We wanted to bring to you a product that makes it super easy for you to be able to disguise the knots on your wig without the use of bleach. So, after conducting a lot of research and looking into what it is that can best help our customers, we bring you the Wig Knots Healer.
The Wig Knots Healer is a 2-in-1 tool for making your wig as natural as possible. It includes the color stick with the brush together. The color will easily transfer into the lace to fade the knots. The brush is made of high-quality brush hairs, which are neither too hard nor too soft. One stone, two birds, right? The Wig Knots Healer will not hurt the lace of your wig, but will also ensure that your wig looks as natural as possible. The Wig Knots Healer is also water and sweat resistant, so don't worry about the color fading away when you exercise or go about your day. The Wig Knots Healer is also smart and convenient to carry. You can easily fit it in your handbag for easy travel to give you that natural look wherever you go. And ladies, don't forget, this product has been brought to you by Myfirstwig. You can find this product on our official website, myfirstwig.com. It is also available on our sister site, RPG Show.